when he asked for a prize, he got it because people went to a O.P. Nair movie. When they went to a Joy Mukherjee movie, yes. Asha Parekh, yes. O.P. Nair का म्यूजिक है. अरे वो तो मिस नहीं करना है यार, बहुत मजा आएगा. क्या हम लोग मजा करेंगे, फुट टैपिंग म्यूजिक होगा. So it was that kind of a draw. But apart from him as a human being, as a friend, he was an excellent colleague as well. He always gave credit. Even when a person like Asha Bhosle, who was at that time struggling to come out of the, shadows, I'd say, about her sister, she was not yet established the way Lata Mangeshkar was. It was O.P. Nair who was boosting her confidence and telling her, you have it in you. You just have to have the self-belief. If you have that self-belief, you can create beauty. So it was this kind of a encouraging kind of approach to others. He was also a person who cared for the smaller musicians when they were not being paid. He insisted that they should be paid immediately after the recording is done. There were many, many things about him. He had a warmth. If he sat next to you in a sofa, if you're sitting on a 3-seater sofa, you're sitting at one end, and I'm not talking about the ladies only. I'm talking about the gents also. If he's sitting at the other end, he will not occupy the other end. He will not leave that gap between the two. He will come and sit next to you. And he'll put his arm around you. He always wanted to break the barriers between people. His music is exactly like that. It breaks the barrier, which is why O.P. Nair is one composer. When people would, I was in Dubai, we used to live there, and Pakistan and India have always had a kind of strained relationship. And we made some Pakistani friends there, and they'd say, who's your favorite composer? And I'd say, O.P. Nair, of course. So they say, O.P. Nair, wow! He's also your favorite composer. And the gleam in their eye, the joy that they felt, it was as if I was talking about somebody known to them. This was his greatest ability, that he could break barriers between people. He never wanted barriers. He wanted to just come across and break that and say we are one. And this spiritual strength that he had stood him in good stead when he came down. This was a man who went from rags to riches and went to rags. And I know my friend Gautam Dey visited him a week before he passed away, and he has video recorded that meeting, the last meeting. You see the sense of calm and peace in that man's face, and you are sure that this man had a lot of spiritual strength even in his reverses. I don't want to take too much of your time, but I only want to say, we've spoken a lot. I just want to ask one thing. This man, he's an impossible genius. That's all I can say. And I just want to look at him and say, यूं तो हमने लाख करोड़ों देखे हैं, तुम सा मैं ये सब नहीं देखा, बिल्कुल नहीं देखा. Thank you. Enjoy the show. They're going to have fabulous songs. You will have the time of your life. Thank you for being here, and thank you for valuing this wonderful human being, O.P. Nair.